Welcome to AKKO's Guest House. You can find a convenient QR code on screen to book your stay right now, or check the description below. This guest house in Sapporo offers comfortable air-conditioned accommodation with a private balcony, perfect for relaxing after a day of exploring. AKKO's guest house is a great value, especially since it's only a short distance, about 6.8 kilometers, from Shin-Sapporo Station, making it easily accessible. Inside the apartment, you'll find a fully equipped kitchen with all the essential appliances like a microwave, toaster, and fridge, so you can easily prepare your own meals and save money while traveling. The apartment is quite spacious, featuring 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a living room with a cozy seating and dining area ideal for unwinding. There's also a Blu-ray player for entertainment. Plus, you can take advantage of the free Wi-Fi and free private parking, which are huge perks. The included sun terrace and comfortable shared lounge area provide additional spaces to relax. The property has a 24-hour front desk, ensuring help is available whenever you need it. The apartment is also non-smoking and soundproof, so you can expect a peaceful stay. You're also close to public transport, with Shin-Sapporo Station just 8.5 kilometers away. For those flying in, Okadama Airport is only 13 kilometers away, making arrival and departure hassle-free. Remember to scan the QR code now to book your stay at AKKO's Guest House. It's a great value and a convenient base for exploring Sapporo.